If you're over 50 and you've started noticing stiff knees, sore hips, or a back that just doesn't move the way it used to, you're not alone. Millions of seniors around the world deal with joint pain every single day. But here's the good news. You don't have to accept joint pain as a normal part of aging. In fact, with the right simple movements that you can do right at home, you can keep your joints flexible, reduce pain, and even regain strength. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how. We'll go through the 7 major joints most affected by age, and for each one, I'll share easy, safe home exercises that can bring real relief. So whether it's your knees, hips, shoulders, or even your wrists, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do to stay active, strong, and pain-free. Stay with me till the end, because I'll also share a bonus tip that can protect all your joints for years to come. Alright, let's get started. Knee pain. Let's start with the knees, because knee pain is the #1 complaint among older adults, whether it's from arthritis, past injuries, or just years of wear and tear. The knees often carry the heaviest load. The good news is, you don't need fancy equipment or a gym membership to keep your knees strong and flexible. Here's a simple home exercise. Seated leg extensions. Hold for 2 to 3 seconds, then lower it back down. Repeat 10-12 times on each side. This strengthens your quadriceps, the big muscles in the front of your thighs, which helps take pressure off your knee joint. Another great one is heel slides. Sit or lie on your back with legs straight. Slowly bend one knee, sliding your heel towards your hips. Then slide it back out. Repeat 10 times per leg. These 2 simple moves help improve flexibility, circulation, and reduce stiffness, making it easier to walk, climb stairs, or simply enjoy your daily activities without nagging knee pain. Hip pain. Now let's talk about the hips. As we age, hip pain becomes very common, often caused by arthritis, tight muscles, or just years of sitting too much. When the hips get stiff, even simple activities like standing up from a chair or taking a walk can feel difficult. But here's the good news. A few simple movements can restore flexibility and keep the hips strong. First exercise, standing hip marches. Stand behind a sturdy chair and hold on for support. Slowly lift one knee up like you're marching in place. Lower it back down and switch sides. Do this 10-15 times per leg. This move strengthens the hip flexors and improves balance, both crucial for staying active. Next exercise, seated figure 4 stretch. Sit in a sturdy chair. Place your right ankle over your left knee, forming a 4 shape. Gently lean forward until you feel a stretch in your hip and glutes. Hold for 15 to 20 seconds, then switch sides. This stretch relieves tightness in the hips, which often reduces pain not only in the hips, but also in the lower back. By doing these exercises regularly, you'll find it easier to walk, climb stairs, and even sleep more comfortably without nagging hip pain. Lower back pain. Next, let's address one of the biggest complaints as we age: lower back pain. It can come from weak core muscles, poor posture, or even sitting for too long. A stiff back doesn't just hurt, it can make it hard to bend, walk, or even get out of bed comfortably. The key to reducing back pain is strengthening the muscles that support your spine and gently improving flexibility. First exercise, pelvic tilts. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Flatten your lower back against the floor by gently tightening your stomach muscles and tilting your pelvis upward. Hold for 3 to 5 seconds, then relax. Repeat 10-12 times. This exercise strengthens your core and supports your spine, reducing lower back strain. Second exercise, cat-cow stretch. Get on your hands and knees in a tabletop position. Slowly arch your back upward like a stretching cat. Then gently drop your belly down, lifting your head and tailbone upward. Repeat this flow 8-10 times. This movement keeps the spine flexible and helps release stiffness in the lower back. By practicing these exercises daily, you'll build a stronger back, improve posture, and reduce the chances of everyday aches. Shoulder pain. Now let's talk about the shoulders. Shoulder pain is extremely common as we get older, whether from arthritis, stiffness, or even years of poor posture. The shoulders are involved in almost everything we do, lifting, reaching, even dressing ourselves. So when they hurt, daily life gets much harder. The good news is, Gentle exercises can improve mobility and keep the shoulders strong without causing more pain. First exercise, shoulder rolls. Sit or stand up straight. Gently roll your shoulders forward in a circular motion 10 times. Then reverse and roll them backward 10 times. This loosens stiff joints, increases blood flow, and relieves tension in the neck and shoulders. Second exercise, wall angels. Stand with your back against the wall, feet a few inches forward. Place your arms against the wall in a goalpost position, elbows bent at 90 degrees. Slowly raise your arms upward like making a snow angel. Then bring them back down. Repeat 8-10 times. This strengthens the shoulder and upper back muscles, while improving posture, which often reduces shoulder pain long term. With just a few minutes of these movements daily, you'll notice better shoulder mobility, less stiffness, and more ease in everyday activities like reaching overhead or carrying groceries. Neck pain. Now let's move up to the neck. Neck pain can sneak up on us with age, often from years of poor posture, arthritis, or simply looking down at phones and books for too long. When the neck is stiff, it can lead to headaches, shoulder tension, and even difficulty sleeping. The key is to keep the neck flexible and gently strengthen the supporting muscles. First exercise, chin tucks. Sit up tall with your shoulders relaxed. Gently pull your chin straight back like you're making a double chin. Hold for 3-5 seconds, then relax. Repeat 8-10 times. This exercise strengthens the deep neck muscles and improves posture, reducing strain on the spine. Second exercise, neck side stretch. Sit or stand tall. Gently tilt your head to one side, bringing your ear toward your shoulder. Hold for 15-20 seconds, feeling a gentle stretch along the side of your neck. Repeat on the other side. This stretch releases tightness, improves range of motion, and eases tension. By practicing these simple moves, you can reduce neck stiffness, prevent tension headaches, and keep your head and shoulders aligned for better posture overall. Elbow pain. Next, let's focus on the elbows. Many seniors experience elbow pain, sometimes from arthritis, overuse, or inflammation of the tendons. This pain can make even simple tasks, like lifting a cup of tea or opening a jar, uncomfortable. The key to reducing elbow pain is to gently stretch and strengthen the muscles around the joint without overloading it. First exercise, wrist flexor stretch. Extend one arm straight out in front of you, with your palm facing up. With your other hand, gently pull back on your fingers, stretching the underside of your forearm. Hold for 15-20 seconds, then switch arms. This stretch relieves tension in the tendons that attach at the elbow, reducing stiffness and discomfort. Second exercise, towel squeeze. Roll up a small towel and hold it in one hand. Squeeze the towel gently, hold for 3-5 seconds, then relax. Repeat 10-12 times on each side. This simple strengthening move improves grip strength and supports the tendons around the elbow. By adding these light stretches and exercises into your daily routine, you'll protect your elbows, ease pain, and keep your arms strong for everyday activities. Ankle pain. Finally, let's talk about the ankles. Many older adults experience ankle pain or stiffness, often from arthritis, past injuries, or simply years of wear and tear. Weak or painful ankles don't just hurt. They can also throw off your balance and make walking less stable, increasing the risk of fall. The good news is, with a few simple exercises, you can strengthen the ankles, improve mobility, and feel more confident on your feet. First exercise, ankle circles. Sit comfortably in a chair. Lift one foot slightly off the ground. Slowly rotate your ankle in big circles, 10 times clockwise and 10 times counterclockwise. Switch to the other foot. This improves joint mobility, increases blood flow, and reduces stiffness. Second exercise, heel raises. Slowly rise up onto your toes, lifting your heels off the ground. Pull, hold for 2 seconds, then lower back down. Repeat 10-12 times. This strengthens the calf and ankle muscles, improving stability and reducing pain during walking. By keeping your ankles mobile and strong, you'll not only reduce pain, but also boost your balance, making it easier to stay active and independent every day. And there you have it. 7 of the most common joint pains seniors face, along with simple, science-backed home exercises to help relieve them. Remember, consistency is the key. Doing just a few minutes of these exercises daily can make a huge difference in reducing pain, improving mobility, and keeping you independent as you age. If you're over 50 or 60, your body is not slowing down. It's simply asking you to take better care of it. And these exercises are your first step towards stronger, healthier joints. Before you go, let me know in the comments, which joint pain do you struggle with the most? Knees, hips, back, or maybe the ankles? Your feedback will help me make the next video even more helpful for you. And if you found this video valuable, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend or family member who might need it, and of course, hit that subscribe button. We post practical, easy-to-follow health tips every week to keep you strong, active, and pain-free at any age. Stay healthy, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video.